Like a Hellcat.
Dhoni is the call. He's hit it in the air. Fina trying to get underneath it. And he's gone all the way.
Now, just watch this backlift and watch the follow through at the moment of impact. There you go. That'll do.
Oh, that helicopter's out. It's gone miles in the air and way back into the crowd. Well, the captain producing something special. Have a look at the bat speed here. Wow, out of the park. The helicopter shot. There it is. Oh, the chopper.
And that's the helicopter shot. Does it go all the way? Yes, it does.
And in blue, what he's done is put pressure on Finn straight away. Drop back into the attack. Oh, that's a terrific shot. Look how far back he's in the crease to get the elevation. Not easy to come under such balls. It demands tremendous bat speed, a lot of strength.
All the wrist net. My word, that wasn't that bad a ball, but just look at the power and the whip. Have a look at this. The recoil. It could have been a little fuller, but it was pretty full. The targeting of the boundary. Have you seen a shot like that?
Time, my goodness. No, I've seen a bit of on the mat. That is just incredible. This is nonchalant. I mean, honestly, Mr. Dhoni, have a look at it. It was pretty good. Just check out where
up. That's a nice shot. That's a very good shot. 300 comes up with that boundary by the Indian captain. I think he's struggling. Probably will need to have another wicket keeper.
beautiful shot. Coming down the wicket, getting it on the full. And whipping it through mid-wicket.
Out of here. Well, look at the follow through, Douche. Look at that. Once he actually makes the strike, he gets such a lot of speed through the strike zone. Turkle. And again. And again. That has left the suburb. Right into the block hole. Bit of work to do in the deep. But I'm singing and keep strike.
Straight down the ground. Never seen a shot like that before. That's real whippage.
Typical Dhoni shot. Look at the bottom hand. And look at how he finishes. And it's gone the distance. It's a big round here at the IPC.